I have a piece of advice that no one has ever talked about, I don't think. Like, if you search up socializing on YouTube, you've probably been looking at a few videos. You will not see anyone else talk about this. I have not seen a single other person talk about this. And it's like so obvious. It's the biggest thing that everyone else slacks on that basically improves your social skills immediately today by like 100x. And everyone just forgets about it somehow. It's like it's hiding in plain sight. Somehow I've missed this as well, even though it was so obvious. I feel stupid for not realizing this. If I had known this at like the beginning of my socializing journey, I would have dedicated so much more resources to this, because then I could have just avoided the entire struggle of learning how to socialize. The piece of advice that you need when you're beginning isn't to start off small. That can help, but that's not it. It's not to force yourself to just talk to people. It's vague. It doesn't help you. You can't use that, or you would have already. It's not to like just learn through iteration. That's also helpful, but that's not it. You see, there's this concept. It's called Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow is this psychologist. He's the person who came up with this theory where there are 5 states of needs for a human being. And as a human, most of the time, not all of the time, most of the time, you will not prioritize anything above the state of need that you're in. So if you are like in some third world country, you're struggling to get like food, you're struggling to get water, it's like survival of the fittest, you're fighting for your life. The last thing on your mind is like reaching self-actualization. You couldn't care less about realizing your dreams if you're struggling to get water. That's why you don't see as many like wealthy people in third world countries who were born there, because they have different priorities. Learning to socialize is at the third state of need, which is love and belonging, to have intimate moments with people, to have this social connection. But if you don't fulfill the state of need below that, you won't even be prioritizing it. So let's say right now you have no oxygen, you are dying. That's you right now. The last thing on your mind is, oh wait, before I die, I need to talk to that thing. Excuse me, you're really... That's the last thing on your mind, right? You don't care about anyone else if you're literally on the verge of death. You don't care about anything else unless your physiological needs are met. Think about that. That means you can't even begin properly socializing until you fulfill your basic needs. Until you have air and shelter and food and water, you won't be able to even prioritize talking to people. There's already so much fiction with it. Like, talking to people is scary, it's difficult, you might get rejected. Not only is there already this fiction, you also have all of these physiological needs that haven't been met, that you're just ignoring. Before you try and talk to people, you need to focus on other areas of your life. Are you eating enough food? And is the food you're eating good? Very important. If you're eating bad food and that like saps your energy and you just feel dead all the time, you won't want to talk to people because you'll be so tired and you feel like so lack of energy, so demotivated, that not only do you not want to talk to them, but there's also friction to talk to them. If you want to be confident, if you want to be like happy, you need to be healthy. You need to eat good food, eat enough food. You need to drink water. Have you even drank water in the last hour? I have. Have you? I don't think you have. Like right now, bro, pause the video, get a cup of water and just drink it. Like just like appreciate the coldness of water that you have right now. Are you getting enough sleep? Honestly, I haven't been sleeping too well myself recently. Sleep is one of the most important things. I read a book on sleep recently. Actually, I have the book here. The Awesome Power of Sleep. The messaging is kind of for teenagers, but it applies to everyone. And this book, it is such a great book. It is my second favorite book. My favorite being the Bible, obviously. You absolutely need to get enough sleep. And it's not just enough to get 8 hours of sleep. That's what everyone has been telling you. You need 8 hours of sleep a night. And if you are like a teenager, you need like maybe 9 hours. That's what everyone else says. How much sleep you get, that's one part of the spectrum. But there's also sleep quality. When you go to bed, how quickly do you fall asleep? It probably takes you like 30 minutes, most likely. Unless you're just like a naturally good sleeper like me. You need to like have an entire night routine. You need to be sleeping at the same time consistently in order to prime your suprachiasmatic membrane. Or your body just won't be regulated. You won't be able to sleep on time. You won't be getting good sleep quality. So though you may sleep for enough time, if you're sleeping inconsistently, you're randomly sleeping in on the weekends, you're sleeping on time on the weekdays, your body never gets into its pattern because you keep messing up and fracturing and fragmenting how you sleep. So that basically causes you chronic tiredness. If for 2 weeks you sleep at the same time consistently, you have the same wind down regimen, you don't have your screens at 1 hour before bed, your sleep will be incredibly impetuous. There will be no flaws in your sleep. I almost guarantee, unless you have some sleep disorder, you will like thank me for this. You will thank me for how much energy you feel. Before you focus on socializing, get your safety needs met. Get your physiological needs met. And then you can easily get through your love and belonging needs. You'll be able to just talk to people in a normal way because you feel healthy, you feel happy, you feel full of energy and vitality. You'll literally just have a smile on your face. And when people see that, they'll literally just come to you. They'll want to be around someone who has this type of energy. I hope this video helped you. Check out the top link in the description. It's a social protocol. You will learn exactly how to socialize. Even if you aren't at that stage now where you can focus on your love and belonging, the social protocol also has courses coming out soon that explain how to fulfill these two needs in order to get to this stage. There's like courses in there that explain exactly how to do all of this. There's a community of people like you who are trying to get better at socializing, become more confident. If you want to get in touch with me, there are also weekly calls where we can literally talk together. Check that out and I'll see you in there. Remember, consistency is over a lifetime. Bye-bye.